Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my channel, then you are welcome. Please feel free to be part of this platform. Subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what you can do with your avocado oil. Today, we are going to make avocado cream using the avocado oil we got from the last video of how to make avocado oil for beginners. If I were you, I'll watch this interesting video to the end. Let's get started. To make avocado oil, I started by harvesting the avocado flesh. I am using an overripe avocado. Very important. The more the avocado, the more oil you get. After harvesting the flesh, mash it with either a spoon or fork. Puree it properly to help release the oil. The next thing to do is to transfer the mashed avocado into a pan and spread it properly. In this recipe, we are taking it out in the sun for as long as it takes for the greenish fresh parts to disappear. So this is what we have now. No traces of being fresh. Now transfer it once again in a bowl and add oil to help you extract the avocado oil. You can use either coconut oil, olive oil, or vegetable oil. Heat it up in a microwave for 30 seconds or more to release the oil. Then transfer the avocado flesh in a sieve and begin to squeeze to extract the avocado oil. Now look at the oil that we have. Look at our avocado oil that we got. So now that we got the avocado oil, it is time to make the avocado cream. All you need is an aloe vera gel. An aloe vera gel, not the fresh one. All right? Then add some quantity in a bowl. Also add some tablespoons of avocado oil to the aloe vera gel. Add oil according to the quantity of the gel you have and begin to combine together. Properly mix until both are well combined. Look at that. I know by now you are beginning to like the video. After a thorough mixing, then transfer in an airtight container for a cream. Okay? Keep in a cool place and use for your skin. We've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to share and like. Thanks for watching, and I will be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye. and God bless.